Top 10 weirdest looking animals. Animal number 1. In our number 1, we have the Dumbo octopus. Little and dumb but yet strange species of octopus. They are a genus of pelagic umbrella octopuses that live in the deep sea. Prominent ear-like fins that protrude from mantle just above their lateral eyes. Animal number 2. Next we have the narwhal. They look like some type of seal mixed with unicorn, but the narwhal is huge, and that unicorn horn is actually an oversized tooth. They live in Canada, Arctic waters, and etc. But be careful, because that tooth can rip you to pieces. Animal number 3. The Japanese spider crab. A horrible crossbreed of spider and crab. It has huge legs. He looks like Mr. Krabs gone wrong. Oh, Mr. Krabs, get wrecked! Oh, get wrecked! They live in marine waters around Japan. Animal number 4. Blobfish. Next we have the blobfish. These floppy fellows are literally worthless at life. They look so floppy, they remind me of Jello. The blobfish is a deep sea fish of the family Psycherontidae? No. Psycherontidae. Whatever. Some live in the coasts of mainland Austria and Tasmania. Animal number 5. Oh my god, that's creepy. Star-nosed mole. Star-nosed mole's got me like, what TF? Their nose is nasty AF. It looks like some type of weird red flower. Never mind then. The star-nosed mole lives in wet, low areas of eastern Canada and even northeastern US. Look at these little guys. Ugh, so ugly, man. Animal number 6. Animal number 6. Next we have the proboscis monkey. You want to know what's so weird about this monkey? He got a dingle for a nose. Nah, just kidding. The proboscis monkey is a long-nosed monkey, seen and known in Southeast Asia. Animal number 7. Animal number 7. Next on our list, we have the AA, a strange yet cute animal. It looks like an crazed shaved chihuahua. AAs are sort of like lemurs. They are usually found in Madagascar. Animal number 8. Next we have Siphonix the cat. Siphonix the cat is a weird looking cat because it has no hair. Although I think they're cute, but most of the people disagree. They are because of selective breeding, and they originated from Canada. Animal number 9. Next we have the hammerhead shark. A unique group of sharks in the family Cycni or whatever, that blobfish family. They are called hammerheads because they're weird, abnormal heads. Animal number 10. Lastly, we have the praying mantis, a weird species of insect that looks like it's praying because of the way its hands were formed. They prefer to live in tropical habitats. This is so fabulous. Oh my god. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, support, and subscribe to this video. I'm going to make more, but I have one question. for my next video. What was the weirdest or strangest or even horrific moment of your life? So thanks guys for watching my video, and just hit that subscribe button. Bye guys. Toodles.